It's a very specific point that the Honorable LO has mentioned. And as correctly mentioned by him, sir, that the supplementary demand is specifically for setting up a disaster recovery site for finance department applications. And this has come obviously in the recommendation of the IT and C department. Sir, as correctly mentioned, today, especially in the time of cyber crimes and also in this time of AI, the threats that are there that possibly could happen online are very high, and absolutely correct, sir. So therefore, multiple measures have to be taken, sir. Sir, of course, the current system that we are putting in place right now and the current supplementary demand is specifically for the hardware section, sir. So therefore, this is going to be procurement of desktop computers. This is going to be for printers, scanners, and administrative departments. So therefore, this is going to be done more for the hardware point of view, sir. Therefore, the exact aspect of all the points mentioned by LO in terms of having a very strong malware and a system that is very robust obviously is a process that will continue, and the upgradation of the safety and security systems will continue, sir. Even now, in all the e-proposal systems that we have, there is a very, very robust system in which we run. But even the most robust system in today's world is open to threats, sir. Even the top websites and applications in top government organizations throughout the world are target of different kind of cyber attacks. So, the point is well taken, and definitely we will further examine more ways. And as I said, sir, it's a continuous process because the technology is developing as we speak. And as I said, because of the artificial intelligence factor that's come in, the challenges are even more, sir. So therefore, we are aware of that. And let me assure the Honorable LO and the House that we are taking all possible steps to ensure that the safety nets, the securities, the different aspects of the human intervention, the different aspects of the fact that individuals who are involved in creating the systems are properly mapped, properly checked. All of these aspects are being done, sir. But with a caveat, of course, that which I would like to stress is that in today's world, this is today the norm. Today, attacks that happen to nations is not as much of a physical or military attack, but attacks are made on different kind of social aspects, media aspects, different aspects of the online systems, different aspects of finance, banking. That is today's war that happens throughout the world. So we are aware, sir, and we are taking steps. But as I said, it's a continuous process. And I assure the Honorable LO and the House that we will do our very best to ensure that all these points are incorporated. But again, with the caveat that these are challenges that the whole world is facing. And we will try our best to ensure that we are safe from those challenges.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pitaray kami kabisa. Alin itu na hadu kami.
Kanambay kami kami.
Mano bawan kata baci? Kau lawan.
Lawan kamu.
Ila khams taman ta.
Ila supalan. Wan nam dan jeng tiang i ai. Mentato penhiar nasiam suki-suki bat ngamo.
Kali jono kan ni? Ba, ka hospital tinggal aja kai nang ni. Kabai kali pan?
Kabai kali latip ke sarkar.
Pintia aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Wat ko selaitan.
Ba kan dekat skim kalaya rap cibun ya kilong yang kum jongpi.
Shim ka ka bam. Ko boleh shibun sister. Gidan ka man siwi ay.
Em peruk kalau hika sarkar.
Ko boleh shibun. Ila dan aku jaga ka babyang.
Ke sarkar tak jarap ikit kiba aplang.
Ko boleh shibun.
Sister, hapsi ukat nama?
Ka sarkar kala siulat ikijing lut jing separo.
Kabli sipuan ma.
Ngiki bakar do ngampoi perkhat banyo kum kani kajing yarap. Hawat kan?
Kanika Chief Minister Safe Motherhood Scheme. Kalau ai jing rap yang isibon bah kipat ba.